Soso, and today we're playing with our zoo animals. I have a great idea. Why don't we make our toy animals into real animals? But we have to be extra careful because some of them are wild and can run loose. Let's start with the lion first. We got our toy lion and we're going to use our magical wand and make it real. Let's go put it over there. Okay, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! You're beautiful! Aww! Lions are known as king of the jungle because of their raw power and strength. And they are so fast, they can run up to 50 miles per hour. Their biggest enemy is the hyena because they always fight over the same food. Aw, you're so adorable and fluffy! Okay, well, we have to turn you back into a toy now. Okay, let's see. Let's do the giraffe, but we should go outside for this one. I found the perfect spot. Okay, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it's so tall! Giraffes are herbivore. I have an idea. I got a ladder because the giraffe is so tall, and I got banana leaves because they are plant eaters. Wow, this is so cool. I can see your tongue, it looks black. And did you know the adult giraffe can grow up to 14 to 17 feet tall? Okay, see you. Oh. All right, let's go check out all the other animals. Let's do the hippo next. Let's put it over here. Yes, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh no! Where did all the toys go? There's a hippo right there! Whoa! Look at that jaw! Hippos are very dangerous and territorial animals, so never go near them or mess with them. Let's change it back. Okay, we got it. Now I think there's 5 other animals. I think there's a gorilla, elephant, panda, a rhino, and a tiger. Let's go. Look, there's a gorilla. Whoa. Gorillas are very intelligent animals. And they're very strong. We got it! Whoa! You're huge! Elephants are the largest land mammal in the world. The African elephant can weigh up to 20,000 pounds. That's 10 cars put together. I have to change you now. Okay, cool. We got it. We just have 3 more animals to go. I see a panda right there. Pandas, they live in trees and caves, and they can eat up to 80 pounds worth of bamboo in one day. That's their main diet. And they have really thick fur to keep them warm. That's why they're so peaceful and so cuddly. I have to change it back now. Aw, we got it! We have 2 other animals to look for. It's a rhinoceros! It makes such a unique sound. Rhinoceros are famous for their large horns or horns that grows on the top of their head near their nose. We got it! Look it! It's a tiger over there! It's orange with black stripes. It is the largest cat species in the world. Oh no! It's getting away! We got all the animals! Yay! We found all the animals! Thank you so much for helping me find them. I had so much fun! And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe below. Until then, have a beautiful day, take care, and goodbye!